time you built your list, you also helped someone else grow theirs and got rewarded for it. Together, we grow. List building through teamwork. That's the power of List Elevate, an affiliate email marketing platform where marketers leverage each other's efforts. When one person promotes, everyone connected benefits. Here's how it works. Join List Elevate and get your personal autoresponder and referral link. 2. Every time you build your list, your team members get exposure too. 3. As they build their lists, your offers get shared automatically through the network. More eyes on your links, more sales for everyone. In most programs, you work alone, but inside List Elevate, your team becomes your engine. Every email sent, every lead collected, every promo shared, all feedback into the system that helps everyone grow faster. Automation meets collaboration. One effort multiplied by many. Ready to stop building alone and start building together? Join List Elevate today and discover how affiliate marketers around the world are helping each other grow their lists and their income at the same time. Together, we don't compete, we duplicate success. Join now, build your list, elevate your team, multiply your results.